Dear students, welcome back. This is the revision class of physics for class 9th. And in this revision class, we are going to deal with one numerical based on the chapter motion. The question is, an object of mass 100 kg is moving on a straight path with 90 km per hour. After application of brakes, it stops in 5 seconds. Calculate the rate of change of velocity and the distance traveled by the object. So in this question, we have been given the value for mass as 100 kg. So we are here to write m is equal to 100 kg. It is moving on a straight path with 90 km per hour. So this is the initial velocity of the object, which is denoted by u. It is given 90 km per hour. Now the question is saying that after application of brakes, it stops in 5 seconds. It stops means the object stops. The object stops means the final velocity of the object is 0 meter per second. When the object stops means the final velocity becomes equal to 0. Now the time taken by the object to stop is given 5 seconds. So we are here to write t equal to 5 seconds. So such much data we have been given. Now we are here to find out the rate of change of velocity, which is nothing but acceleration. We have to find rate of change of velocity means we have to find the acceleration, as well as we have to find out the distance traveled by the object, that is denoted by s, small s. So these two data that we have to calculate here. Now the mass is given in kg, and kg is the SI unit of mass, but the initial velocity is given in kilometer per hour, but kilometer per hour is not the SI unit of velocity. So first of all, we have to convert this kilometer per hour into meter per second by just multiplying the given data with 5 by 18. So it is 18 5s are 90, that is 25 meter per second. So we are here, the value for u in meter per second, that is in SI unit. Velocity, that is final velocity, is also given in meter per second, that is in standard form. Time is given in second, that is in standard form, that is in SI unit. And we have to find out the acceleration. The acceleration is having the formula v minus u by t. Rate of change of velocity stands for acceleration, and acceleration is given by this formula v minus u by t. So in place of v, we are here to write 0 meter per second, minus in place of u, we are here to write 25 meter per second, divided by, for time we can write 5 seconds. So we are having 0 minus 25, that is minus 25, divided by 5. So it got cancelled out. Now we are having minus 5 unit acceleration. The SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square. So finally, the value for acceleration is negative. The value for acceleration is negative stands for the retardation is 5 meter per second square, or acceleration is minus 5 meter per second square. So whenever there is the value for acceleration in negative, it stands that the final velocity is less than the initial one. So here the final velocity was 0 and initial velocity was 25, means final velocity is less than that of initial value. That's why the value for acceleration is negative. So we have calculated this one. Now it's time to find out the value for s, that is displacement or distance. So we are here to write v square minus u square is equal to 2as because of third equation of motion. We can also write s is equal to ut plus half at square. So either you have to use this equation, that is the third equation of motion, or this equation which is the second equation of motion. It depends upon you. If you are here to use this one, you can easily calculate s. Again you can easily calculate s by using this equation. So now suppose we are going to take this equation. So in place of v square we can write 0 square minus, in place of u square we have to write 25 whole square is equal to 2 multiplied by a is nothing but minus 5 meter per second square. So in place of a we have to write minus 5 into s is to be calculated. So we have to leave s as it is. Now this 0 square is 0, 25 whole square is 6, 25 is equal to 2 into minus 5, that is minus 10 into s. S is to be calculated. Now 0 minus 625 is minus 625 is equal to minus 10 into s. This minus and minus will get cancelled out, leaving behind 625 is equal to 10s. So s is equal to 625 divided by 10 means 62.5. Since we are here to find the value of displacement, so the SI unit of displacement is taken into account as meter. So the value for s is 62.5 meter. So we have calculated s as well as a according to the question. Thank you.